All right, guys, here's just another quick and dirty video, handheld with the cell phone. I just wanted to show you a small modification I made to my Uberleben Kessel Pot. In its original form, you have to take this thumb screw out to take the handle off, and you have to take the handle off to get it in the bag. And being on a motorcycle trip, or just on a motorcycle in general, little fiddly parts, small things that can get lost easily, are so not cool. Just not what you want to be dealing with. And the fact that you can't get it in the bag with the handle on it means you have no choice but to take the thumb screw off, and then the handle doesn't fit inside the pot. It doesn't have the right bend to it, and I don't know that that's really an oversight, because if it did have the right bend to it, it would be a really small radius and your hand would be very close to the lid of the pot. Kind of hard to show that. With it, the way that it is, your hand is up here, but if it was bent small enough to fit inside the pot, your hand would be really close. Anyway, so you kind of just saw what I did there. The way I have this set up, I don't have to take the screw all the way out. All I did was cut a little V-notch in there. This used to be just a hole right in the center, so I cut that V out of it. And now, all I have to do is slide it up into place. It's a lot easier to do if you're not holding a phone, but it can be done one-handed. Slide it up into place and tighten the screw. And then all you gotta do is just back it off a little bit, and everything just kind of slides down out of the way. And now, well, I'm not gonna be able to do this on camera. Maybe. Now it actually fits inside of the bag. I swear. Just a second. Now it actually fits inside of the bag without having to remove this screw for it to inevitably get lost. All fits in there, zips up. Again, I'm not gonna do it on camera, but there you go. And all it took was just a little cut there and a cut there, and that's it. I just got home from a month-long motorcycle trip where I ate using this over the Stoker stove almost every night. This was how I ate. And I never once had any issues with losing parts or fiddling around with anything. I didn't have any issues with the modification that I made or the gear itself. I definitely recommend, if you have a Kessel pot, that you take a Dremel to it and make this modification, because it makes it a lot more user-friendly, especially when you're not holding a cell phone. Check out my other videos that I've got on this Kessel pot from Uberleben, and I have some other gear from them too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.